So we just left the gym this morning. I want to give you a quick example of an app that we use. The great thing is you use this app and you can send it to, add team members. So you can have an Uber driver or male person or somebody who drives around a lot who can go around and drive for dollars, and they can use this app. The app is called Deal Machine. If you click in the link below this video, you can click on there and you can get a 14-day free trial of the Deal Machine. But what we're going to do is, we left the gym, we're going to go driving here. This is the area where we like to wholesale properties. So we're going to drive down through here using this app, and it keeps the track of where we're going. So we'll drive down here and we'll see if there's any vacant houses real quick. So we're driving through here. This is the kind of area where we like to wholesale or sometimes buy and hold rental properties. So it's a great area. And we also flip here too, if we can buy them cheap enough. Funny thing is, a lot of times we make a lot of money on some of these even little small houses, even when we fix and flip them. So, but we can use this. You can use whatever type of business. You're wholesale, rehabbing. If you're building new construction, you can take a picture of vacant lots, things like that. But you just drive around up and down streets and look for vacant houses. So we're gonna see if we can find one. I'm sure there's gonna be one around here somewhere. Looking. You can see there's a lot of houses around here that need work, but we're not really looking for mobile homes. This is kind of a mixed area. There are some mobile homes in here sometimes too. So here we go. So take a look at this. See, this is a vacant house, all boarded up, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna find our position here, right here on the street, and that house is right here. So you drop a pin, push this button, it'll trace it, and it'll find the owner's county record, and you just roll your window down, click the picture right here, take a photo, and then take a quick zoom in a little bit, quick pic of the house, and click use photo. The photo is there. See the button right there? It says start mailers. So start mailers. Oh, actually, it looks like it got to recharge. We'll continue. It's gonna load it. It's just it just automatically recharges your budget, because whenever you send mailers, it costs a certain amount to send a mailer. So success, we're done. So we dismiss that and we just keep on driving until we find more houses. So I want to make it we'll drive around a few more streets here, not into the whole video, but I just want to take a minute and show you how easy it is. And this automatically sends a letter with a picture of the house to the homeowner. You can also go into the system, you can skip trace it, so you can get a phone number and actually call these people, all inside the Deal Machine app. So I just want to give you a quick preview of that. It's a great app. We use it. You can hire you can get other people and just pay them referrals. Again, like Uber drivers, mailmen, UPS drivers, anybody who drives around a lot. And just whenever you see something, stop and take a picture, start mailers. If we can buy a house, I'll give you a little referral. So it's a great way to give other people opportunity to make money. It's a great way for you to find deals. So thanks for watching. Again, this is Jason Gaston, the Freedom Flipper. Before you leave the video, click on the link below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also click on the link in the description, and you can get down there, you can go to the site and get the Deal Machine app and use it in your business. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.